Find the cube root of 5.832. This is a past common entrance question. Let's look at this. First, solution. Cube root, we are going to represent this in the cube root symbol. So cube root of 5.832 will look like 5.832. Then you have the cubic notation here, 3. All right, so what do? This will be equal to the cube root of, we change this number to a whole number by removing this decimal point and dividing it by a power of 10 that has 3 zeros. These 3 decimal places means we can remove this and divide it by a power of 10 that has 3 zeros, and that power of 10 is 1000. Okay, so we go 5832. We have removed decimal. This stands for 1, then 3 zeros. Great. So remember our rule. So this is going to give us something like the cube root of 5,832 over 1,000. We simplify this and it becomes the cube root of 5,832 over the cube root of 1,000. And now I'm going to show you a very simple method of finding the cube roots of numbers. Let's use the continuous division method. So we have this. I want to first find the cube root of 5,832. So first, this is an even number, so I don't want to disturb myself. I know 2 can divide through, so 2 is here. 2 into 5, 2 remainder 1. 2 into 18 is 9. 2 into 3, 1 remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6. Another even number, 2 can still go. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 9 is 4 remainder 1. 2 into 11, I add 1 to this one, it becomes 11. 2 into 11 is 5 remainder 1. I add it here, it becomes 16. 2 into 16 is 8. Another even, I still make use of 2. 2 into 1 is 0. 2 into 14 is 7. 2 into 5 is 2 remainder 1. I add it to 8, it becomes 18. 2 into 18 is 9. Now this is no more even. Let me see if 3 can divide through this. 7 plus, let's apply the rule of divisibility of 3. 7 plus 2 gives us 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 is a multiple of 3. So 3 can divide through. 3 into 7 is 2 remainder 1. We add it to 2, it becomes 12. 3 into 12 is 4. And 3 into 9 is 3. Let's see if 3 can divide this. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 can divide through. 3 into 2 is 0. 3 into 24 is 8. 3 into 3 is 1. 81, 3 can still divide this. I know that one. 3 into 8 is 2 remainder 2. We add that 2 to 1, it becomes 21. 3 into 21 is 7. 3 can still divide. 3 into 27 is 9. And 3 into 9 is 3, while 3 into 3 is 1. Now, we are done breaking down the number 5,832. Now, because we are finding the cube root, we group these numbers in threes. We group the divisors in threes because we are looking for cube root. If it was square root, we would have grouped them in twos. But because it is cube roots, we group them in threes and we pick 1 for each group. So we pick 2 here times 3 times 3. So the cube root of 5832 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So that's the cube root of 5,832. Now we go on to finding the cube root of 1,000. I don't want to use that method that people say, which number would you multiply by itself 3 times? No. When you have certain numbers like this, you cannot start guessing the number you want to multiply 3 times to get that number. So the best way is to use the continuous division method so you don't make mistakes. All right, so this is even. We can use 2. 2 here is 500. 2 again is 250. 2 again is 125. Now 2 can't go again. Can 3 go into this? 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. 3 cannot go, so 5 can go because it ends with 5. 5 into 125. This will give us 5 into 125 is 25. 5 into 12 is 2. Remember, 2 into 25 is 5. And 5 into 25 is 5. 5 into 5 is 1. Remember, I told you group it in threes because we are looking for cube roots. So here we have the cube root of 1000 is equal to 2 times 5, which is equal to 10. So we go back to our work. This is going to be cube root of 5832. Remember, we got 18. And cube root of 1000, we got what? 10. So our final answer, because of this 10, we move to the left, is going to be 1.8. Thank you.